So what we're going to do is try and derive a standardized country. So we want to derive the country, we want to derive the ISO 2, that's a 2-character value for the country. We've got an ISO 3, which is 3 characters, and we could also derive a dialing code for these non-standardized countries. So what we're going to do is we'll go to Derive, Country, and you'll see that you get the pop-up on this right-hand side, and we're going to put some inputs in. So we've decided we want to derive a country. In this instance, I've returned only the best result. I've got my input is going to be these values from A2 to A8, and I will map those in with this clicking range finger. Click that in, and then I want to focus on my outputs. And the outputs I have are going to be mapped to the specific fields on the right hand side. So for country derived, we've got B2 through to B8, and you can see what I've done. If I unmap this, I map this out in a table range. This is where you want your output to go. And I've done exactly the same for the ISO 2, ISO 3, and the dialing code. So I've selected the range and then mapped that in where I want the output to go. Once you're happy with the output, you can then derive. So I click here, spend my credits, and what you will see is I could take USA, United States of America, and United States, and it will standardize the country, give me the ISO 2, ISO 3, and the dialing code, and it will do exactly the same for the UK, United Kingdom, England, GBR, and give you that standardized result.